delicious. Let's
one. And you roll it up like a sausage.
So I have a friend who's Romanian, and I just realized I have ingredients to make this Romanian dish. I'm gonna say it wrong, but I'm gonna insert the picture. That. It is basically a rolled protein cabbage thing with onions and tomato sauce. I have onions. I have homemade tomato sauce with garlic and stuff in it. I have a vegan protein source, TVP. We use this in substitute as ground beef. I don't have pork. I don't have vegan sausage, so we're gonna use this. And I have cabbage. As you boil this guy, you make the mixture with TVP and the onion, and you need rice. I forgot, you need rice. So we'll get some rice, but yeah, that's The ingredients collectively: cabbage, textured vegetable protein, rice, tomato sauce, and onion. We're just gonna season everything very well. All right? So you have the cabbage. We're gonna cut around this part and just cut out that part. Once that part is cut out, we are going to then put this in some water. Okay, there we go. So we're gonna place it inside of a pot of water, because that's what I saw in the video, and we're gonna cover it and let it cook. All right, cool. I'm gonna get the rice together, the onions together. Onion, let's use this one. The onion, some garlic, the TVP. We have to rehydrate that first. So let's cut up the onion. Look at that, it's beautiful. We're gonna take this and we're gonna cut. I know they use Spanish onion, but I don't got no Spanish onion. We're using what we got. Alright, and then cut the bias. All right, boom. So we got onion. We are going to scoop and plop it on. I want all the onions. You can use less. I didn't look up an exact recipe. I'm just throwing what is supposed to be in there. It might be too much onions, but I love onions, so this is my take on this dish. Vegan. Nice. Now we're going to Rehydrate. We're gonna add seasonings to this. This is gonna act as our pork.
How do you want to pay for I'll just wait for you to give it out.
There was a lot in there still. It might just be.
Alright, but all that got 85 cent cabbage is definitely a big leaf. Everything really fast.
My rice, onions, and protein mix, my tomato sauce, and my cooked cabbage leaf. I left the middle piece in. You can take it out. I left mine in because it's nice and soft. And I have the pan I'm gonna put them in. And we're just gonna mix everything together. So we're just gonna mix it all together. I know the rice is supposed to be uncooked, but I think I'm cheating. And that is what the filling looks like. You can add more, add less. This is just me making it quickly. So once that's in, we're gonna take the sides, we're gonna roll this up on both sides like that, and we're gonna make sure this doesn't come out, and we're gonna just roll, and there we go. And we're gonna place it inside of this one, next to it, make sure it's nice and cozy. Alright, then we're gonna repeat until we're done. This is what they look like. They're nice and stuffed. I'm gonna put some homemade tomato sauce on there. And we'll see what that looks like. I'm gonna bake it in the oven. Let's see if we can make some more of these. And we'll see what happens. Just have to add this homemade tomato sauce. And we'll see. Canned your tomato sauce 2 years ago and it still tastes amazing, y'all. This is a 2-year-old canned tomato. I canned this using tomatoes I got and I grew from the farmer's market, and it's 2 years old. And it has basil, chopped tomatoes, a little bit of onions and garlic, and I'm gonna use it in the dish. It tastes so good. And it's no tomato paste, because some tomato sauce is actually made with tomato paste. The seeds are in here, you can see the seeds. The oregano I grew is in here, the basil I grew is in here. Flex. This is what the inside looks like, y'all. I'll try to zoom in. So that's the inside. This is the outside. It tastes delicious. Let's make them.